take a video.
I am,
Mommy,
sweetie.
take a video.
I am.
No, it's not too close.
You see what he's doing, Rose?
He's just banging his head into it. It's like he's banging his head into something like he's upset.
It's amazing, isn't it, that we're so close? That he's not at all worried about us. He knows we're his friend. Now that's just magical, isn't it?
Did you take a video?
I still am.
I wonder, and we're so close, but it looks like we're still so far
It's an
away.
pileated woodpecker.
I think that's a pileated woodpecker.
Absolutely right.
That's Woody the woodpecker.
It is an pileated woodpecker.
Woody the
Look at
woodpecker.
it. We're like 5 feet away. Oh, got a grub.
Oh, wow, that is a big grub.
He got a grub in, my goodness.
That's
gracious.
dinner, and it's dinner time.
And no wonder he wasn't gonna move, because he was excited about that. I have never seen that in my life. You're awesome, mister.
Hey, Woody.
Hey, you're awesome.
Still not.
He still loves it, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's like, oh, there may be a second one there.
No, he taps it and it's
I
like
have
sonar
never seen
ring.
anything
Oh,
like
he
that.
found one over there.
Oh, nice.
He's still
nice.
I
watching.
didn't even know that was his call, that you said that.
I cannot believe this. He's letting it stay so close. That's awesome. I've never seen anything like this.
No, Rose. No, Rose.
My hand isn't woodpecker.
No, just no, give him space.
Hey, let's name him Peck.
Well, I think I would name Woody.
Yeah, Woody. That was amazing. Woody.
It's like squeaking.
Well, sweetie, remember when we saw the wild crots that they have?
He is speaking. That speaking noise, I've never heard anything like that.
What's the word on his bill? Occasionally we see these guys in their backyard.
Huh? Hey, look at that long tongue. He had a long tongue. His tongue was sticking out for a second. The beak is squeaking.
It's speaking against the wood, honey. Okay, go get him.
Mama, no, it's scaring him. See?
Wow. All right, you guys.
All right.
Told